One thing I learned this year is to never ever date a narcissistic broke guy. Kasi mauubos ka talaga, sis. Yung patience, understanding. Siyempre, pera, sis. Just because you're in a relationship, ikaw na po yung magbabayad ng utang niya, sis. Tapos ikaw pa yung magbabayad ng mga kailangan bayaran monthly. Pinaka-epic pa, gagawin kanyang maid. Dahil nga tamad siya at pagod daw sa trabaho, syempre magkukusa ka. And you're the type of person na hindi talaga sanay sa, dirty na place. So magkukusa ka talaga maglaba, magluto, magsaing, magligpit. And please, 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 don't ever give chance na mag-usap kayo ulit, okay? Magsasabi talaga yan na hindi ka niya kayang i-handle. Kasi nga, naging toxic ka na nandahil din sa ginawa niya sa'yo. Gusto mo lang naman siya sana tulungan. He earns way less than before. Dahil stress siya kasi wala siyang income, it doesn't mean that he has every right to shout at you and blames you dahil hindi siya nakapagbayad ng mga kailangan niyang bayaran. So don't be like me. Never ever settle for less.